Jingle bell, bell.
So it's November 5th, which is Bonfire Night. So we're about to do fireworks in the garden, and we're gonna have like a little fire, and it's gonna be cool. We're gonna do s'mores, which I don't know if I've had before or not. I feel like I have, but yeah, it should be good. I'm obsessed with fireworks, and I just really wanted to film them because they're just so cool. We've got rockets and like sparklers and other cool stuff. So I'm just about to go light the fire, so let's do that now. It literally look like a marshmallow. So let's show you what we've got. We've got these sparklers, some star sparklers, this cool flame firework, which is a 22 shot aerial display, so that's one firework. These rockets, check them out, so good, so exciting. This whole selection box of stuff. So hopefully it's gonna be good. Sparklers. Sparklers, baby. Sparklers, stand, stand. Yeah, I got my sparkler.
Not too close to my face.
You can't really see the star. No. It's like a double sparkler.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Why don't you put a coat on? You look really cold.
You've got to come out here and sit by the fire and do marshmallows and 3,000.
We're gonna do s'mores, man.
Sugar sparkler.
It won't go good on the camera though, will it?
Excuse me, I'm just going to set fire to you.
Alright, there goes your eye.
Oh!
Yay.
We'll go back inside now. Very like posh, okay.
Okay. Firework time. Fireworks.
It's fine. So let it go out.
Don't do it there, do it.
Yay. Mima.
So good. Yeah, that was so good. So good.
Break that. No.
Oh my god, she didn't bury it. I think you should. Down his house. Can we light them from our hands?
No,
Or is that
dangerous.
Jesus! Right, you gotta go on 3. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Okay,
I thought that one goes a bit far. No. Okay, ready? I suppose sellotape would just melt, not like burn.
Yeah, that's right. I might be a bit too far out.
That loud. Not that much, blooming hell.
Yeah, that is too much.
They're straight up, so if we die, we die.
Are you ready?
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Mine didn't go!
Benjamin! I didn't like mine. Go, go, go!
I didn't want to die. Should we angle them this time?
Yes.
Not like that.
Yeah, that's better.
Is that a bit?
Are you ready?
Well, this is the one she pulled all the way down. So, you pulled the fuse off.
Oh. Oh, you can see that star. So pretty.
Are you ready?
You can do.
Mine never blooming goes.
Why'd you chicken out? There's tons of time.
Good on here.
Do you want to point them at each other?
Yes. No.
I think it would be so fun. It'd be really scary.
Are you kidding?
Like, imagine, like,
No, that's so dangerous.
it would be so fun.
Do you want to
though.
lose an eye? Personally, I enjoy my eyes.
No.
Rockets, rockets.
Run away!
No, it's time.
You should have more fear. Oh, blimey, I thought they weren't going to go up there.
Those ones aren't very good. Oh, smoky.
Oh. That's over there. Into soft ground or non-flammable material. Ensure Roman candle will not fall over. If it falls over, are they like explodey ones?
I don't know.
I think we just go for it.
Okay, you ready?
Ready?
It's cheating.
Right. Come back in case it falls over. I think mine's done.
That was rubbish.
Oh, a bit close.
That's pretty.
Just see those